and welcome to D4Drupal channel. Today we are going to see about how to configure currency in Drupal commerce website. Okay. So the commerce we are using 2.x here. So configuration stores, you have to go to currency. So already I have created a currency for INR. So let's create a new currency for US dollar. So US dollar add. So now we successfully created a new currency here. So let's configure this currency to the store. So go to stores. You have to click on store. So whenever you create a store, you have to select a currency for the particular store. So for kids corner, I am selecting US dollar and I am going to save it. So once you configure, when you go to the product, there also you have to configure the currency. So this is the product which is already with kids corner shop. So here you have to edit the variation and here you can select this is for which currency. Okay. So it's already for INR. So you can select USD and you can give the dollar amount here. So this is for red color, right? So when you view here, so for red, the price is $50. Okay. So this is how you need to create and configure the currency in Drupal commerce website. Okay. And next, let's create a custom currency. So you can create your own custom currency instead of selecting from the plugins. So first, now I'm going to create a currency for Euro. So Euro and code. What is the currency code? Here you have to use, that is Euro. And number code. It's a 3-digit code. So it is 978 for Euro. So next is the symbol. Symbol is euro. So let's copy the euro symbol from online. And next fraction digit 2 and save. So this is how you have to create your own custom currency. But when you use existing plugins, automatically all the value will be pre-populated. So when you edit the US dollar, you can see all the values are pre-populated by itself. Okay. So this is how you can create your own custom currency or you can use existing currency in Drupal commerce website. Okay. I hope the video is useful for you. If you like the video, please share, like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Bye.